Hi dear guys, today we will discuss about the asparagine metabolism. Asparagine is a non-essential amino acid and it is a beta amino acid derivative as a aspartic acid. When the amination of carboxylic group occurs, then it is changed into asparagine. Plays an important role in the biosynthesis of glycoprotein and other protein, a metabolic precursor to aspartate. When the amino group get removed from the asparagine, it is changed into aspartic acid. Asparagine acts as a diuretic. This is the structure of asparagine. Sources, what are the sources? Animal sources are dairy, whey, beef, poultry, egg, fish, lactal, human. Plant sources are asparagus, potatoes, legumes, nuts, seeds, and soya and whole grain. What are the biosynthetic pathway? Hexaluacetate take the amino group from the glutamate by the aspartate aminotransferase enzyme action. Then it hexaluacetate and change into aspartate. It take amino group from glutamate. Then that aspartate will change into asparagine by the action of asparagine synthase. It take the amino group from glutamine. This glutamine will provide the amino group, glutamine change into glutamate, and this reaction required one molecule of ATP. Mostly synthetic reaction required energy. So aspartate is changed into asparagine when it take a amino group from glutamine with the help of one molecule of ATP. So here the asparagine gets synthesized. Then how asparagine get metabolized? Asparagine is converted into aspartic acid by asparaginase enzyme. It gave its amino group to glutamic acid and it will change into glutamine. This is also a pathway for the glutamine synthesis. Then aspartate is produced. Aspartate is changed into oxaloacetate by giving its amino group to alpha ketoglutarate. So when it gives it amino group to alpha ketoglutarate change into glutamate, and this aspartate change into oxaloacetate. Then this oxaloacetate is changed into is oxidized in the Krebs cycle. It is also aspartate is also changed into adenosuccinate by adenosuccinate synthase, and this N-carbamyl L-aspartate is also changed into aspartate by ACT enzyme. Okay, this is the metabolism of asparagine and aspartic acid. Thank you. If you like that video, please subscribe that channel. Allah Hafiz.